What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzik, your Southwest Florida realtor with MVP Realty. I want to welcome you all to 1700 Southwest 31st Lane. This is my new listing. I'm going to take you guys on a quick tour of the property. You're going to want to stick around to see the backyard because it is one of a kind. Just to run down some quick specs for you, the property is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths with a den. It has a pool, was built in 2003, and is about 1,785 square feet. I'm going to go ahead and put some music on, let you take the tour, and then I'm going to show you the gem of a backyard when the video is over. So enjoy the tour, and I'll talk to you soon. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of 1700 Southwest 31st Lane so far. You've checked out the interior. Now I have something extremely special to show you. It is a rarity here in Cape Coral, and even more rare to have a yard this size in the deep Southwest. So without further ado, let me take you guys out to the beautiful backyard here. Now, I do want to put something into perspective for you guys. I'm going to show you a standard size lot and then a standard size lot with a pool. So, if you're looking at the screen right now, you see this is a 0.23 acre parcel with a home in Cape Coral. And then when you add a pool into this 0.23 acre lot, you will notice that there is not a lot of space in the backyard at all for anything. You've got a small run for your dogs, a little space to play with the kids, but that is it. So let's compare that to the backyard that we have here at 1700 Southwest 31st Lane. As you can see, tons of room for your children, pets to run. You can have picnics back here, beautiful pool area with a lanai. I guarantee you that there is not a backyard listed like this in Cape Coral currently. One more panning shot. I'll let you guys head on out. I wanted to thank you for checking out today's home tour video. If you have any questions on 1700 Southwest 31st Lane, feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text. As always, I will put all of the specs for the property down in that info box below. Comment, let me know what you think. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text. I'm Chris Jarzik with MVP Realty. Thanks for checking out the video, and I'll see you on the next one.